Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Mizon All-in-One Snail Repair Cream Day and Night Face Moisturizer with Snail Mucin Extract 75 ml. It's good if you have acne or some mild form of redness, but this can be mildly drying, not super moisturizing. Packaging comes with a nice brown tinted heavy glass jar, which makes it perfect for storing in the fridge during the summer. It doesn't leave any sort of slick, oily, slimy feeling. Unlike some moisturizers, it moisturizes really well and has no smell. Although this cream isn't the most moisturizing and your face may look rosy and feel sensitive the first couple days, the effects are very much worth it. The formula is lightweight and absorbs quickly, leaving a smooth, slightly tacky finish that isn't the best under makeup but works alright. Pores have shrunk and my skin feels and looks like it's glowing even under my BB cream, in which it blends well. Within days, the redness on my cheeks has been going down and my skin has never been this even toned in my life. Living in West Texas made my skin dry, but this product is very moisturizing and brings a moist glow to my face. My favorite moisturizer. It's perfect for my skin. It doesn't make my face greasy, but it also moisturizes it enough so that it doesn't crack and flake. Put this on, haven't seen any for a long time, so this is now a staple in my fridge along with sriracha. Wow, this product has saved my skin. My acne scars and skin quality improved immediately. Being on chemotherapy made my skin very dry, dull, and was lined with acne that wouldn't go away. A little bit goes a long way, but it doesn't leave my face feeling oily or sticky like other face creams of this consistency do, which leads me to believe it wasn't my skin reacting badly to the Snail cream or the Cetaphil, but with a combination of the two, something went amiss. It makes your skin soft and is helping me control my acne and scarring in a quick but sensitive way, which is really amazing. Has smoothed my complexion wonderfully and is the perfect consistency for my oily skin. A little bit of the product goes a long way for me, and it is my perfect moisturizer before bed. The tub is huge and a little goes a long way, so the cost of adding this to your beauty routine is definitely within reason. This product doesn't irritate my skin and layers good under makeup and somehow control the sebum production of my skin. The Mizon Snail Repair Cream absorbs into my skin beautifully, not greasy at all, and is perfect for an everyday moisturizer under my makeup. My skin is healing nicely, and even though it's snail goop, this is mixed with moisturizer so it doesn't smell like anything, thank God. This product not only feels good to put on, but it smooths into the skin and doesn't make my face oily. It has no smell, it has a weird texture, but it spreads over the face and smooths pores and fine lines. The price didn't break me, so it's worth a try if you've tried many things and haven't found what works for you yet. This product doesn't do that. It absorbs into my skin seconds after application and leaves my skin very soft and fresh feeling. The texture is a bit interesting, feels a bit gluey, but once it hits your skin it dissolves and provides a fresh look. After 2 months his pores decreased in size dramatically, his oiliness decreased, and his wrinkles faded away. This is amazing for middle-aged and elderly adults. It is a soft cream that absorbed into the skin well and makes a difference in the way my acne scars look. Not only that, but one of those wisdom spots on my cheek has lessened in color and is 2-3 smaller than it was before. Love this as part of my nighttime skin routine. This is a great moisturizer that evens out dark spots on the face. The Snail Mucin in this, along with the same product line ampoule, has decreased my hyperpigmentation from cystic acne within a month and helps balance my complexion overall. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and leave your comments below.